First thing I do, observe the coloration of the skin. Next, note the vascularity of the abdominal skin. Then, note also the stria. Here I am inspecting for scars. Then here, assess for lesion and rashes. Here, inspect the umbilicus. And assess contour of umbilicus. Here, I'm inspecting the abdominal contour. Assess abdominal symmetry. Look at the abdomen as the client lies in a relaxed supine position. Here I'm inspecting abdominal movements when the client breathes. Then I observe aortic pulsation. Then the parastic waves. Auscultate for bowel sounds. Then for vascular sounds. Next, I listen for venous hum. Then auscultate for a friction rub over the liver and spleen. Then I percuss for tone. I percuss also the span or height of the liver by determining its lower and upper borders. And repeat percussion of the liver at the midsternal line. And measure the distance between the two marks. This is the span of the liver. To perform this scratch test, place the diaphragm of your stethoscope at the second to the last intercostal space. And use one finger to very light stroke the skin horizontally starting at the umbilicus. Next, percuss the spleen. Here, I'm performing the blunt percussion on the liver and the kidneys. Then next, performing blunt percussion over the kidney. Here, I'm performing the light palpation. Next, the deep bimanual palpation. And normally palpate structures in the abdomen. We must palpate for masses and the umbilicus and surrounding area for swelling, bulges, or masses. Here, I'm palpating the aorta. Palpate bimanually, stand at the client's right side, then do the palpation for liver. To palpate by hooking, stand to the right of the client's chest. And here I am palpating the spleen. Then next, palpate the spleen with the client inside lying position. Then, palpate the kidneys. And palpate the urinary bladder. Test for shifting dullness if you suspect that the client has ascites. Note the change from dullness, the level of dullness with client, supine position, and lying on the side. Here in the abdomen, perform the fluid wave test. Assess for rebound tenderness. And here, assess for psoas sign. Then lastly, assess for obturator sign.